Fulton, and Knox. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The dew point was 63, and the relative humidity was 7. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hancock County, Henderson County, southwestern Warren County, northwestern McDonough County, southeastern Des Moines County, Iowa, northeastern Lee County, Iowa, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Des Moines County Fairgrounds, or over Burlington, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Carthage Lake around 10 p.m. Carmen, Gulfport, Lomax, Hiepsville, and Shawinigan around 10:05 p.m. Harper and Lone Tree around 10:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Gladstone, Elena, Decorah, Stronghurst, Henderson County Fairgrounds, Biggsville, Raritan, Media, Smithshire, and Kirkwood. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Warren County, McDonough County, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Larchland to Scioto to near Webster, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Macomb, Roseville, Good Hope, Western Illinois University, Spring Lake, Ormond, McDonough County 4-H Grounds, and Warren County Fairgrounds around 10:35 p.m. Walnut Grove, Berwick, Macomb Municipal Airport, and Scottsburg around 10:40 p.m. Bardolph, Fandon, and Greenbush around 10:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bushnell, New Philadelphia, Adair, Dobbsville, Industry, and Pennington Point. A severe weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Issued severe thunderstorm watch number 194, effective until 5 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Mason, McLean, Peoria, Tazewell, and Woodford. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Abingdon to Bardock near Tomar, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Abingdon around 10:50 p.m. London Mills around 10:55 p.m. Littleton around 11 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Macquarie, Cuba, Yates City, Lewistown, Farmington, Vermont, Canton, Astoria, St. David, Ipipa, Havana, and Bath. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Marshall County, Woodford County, northeastern Peoria County until 12:30 a.m. At 11:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rome, 9 miles northeast of Peoria, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and vehicle-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Metamore around 11:55 p.m. Washburn around midnight. Other locations in the path of this include Roanoke and Vinnup. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 17 and 32.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois, southern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:14 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Roanoke, or 10 miles northeast of Eureka, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Streeter, Pontiac, Seneca, Gridley, Flanagan, Wayona, South Streeter, Cornell, Ransom, Rutland, Kangley, Long Point, and Dana. Including the following Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.